Imagine this: you're feeling drained, struggling with your energy levels, and nothing seems to work. You've tried everything from supplements to energy drinks, but you still can't shake that tiredness. What if I told you that there's a secret herb, one that's been used for centuries, that could give you the boost you've been searching for without any of the side effects? Stay with me, because this herb might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now, you might be thinking, all right, what's the catch? And I get it. We've all heard about miracle cures that sound too good to be true. But here's the thing: this herb isn't some gimmick. It's been quietly hiding in plain sight, used for thousands of years in ancient medicine, and it's packed with powerful benefits that science is only just beginning to understand. Let me introduce you to moringa, also known as the miracle tree or tree of life. Moringa is native to parts of Asia and Africa, and it has been a staple in traditional healing for centuries. So what makes it so special? Moringa leaves are loaded with over 90 nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like nature's multivitamin, but better because it's all natural. It's known to help with boosting energy, supporting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and even helping to lower blood sugar levels. And here's the kicker: studies have shown it can even help improve brain function. So if you're feeling mentally foggy or lacking focus, moringa could be just what you need. But here's the thing most people don't know: it's not just the leaves that make moringa a powerhouse. The seeds, pods, and even the oil are full of healing properties. They've been used in skincare products, and in some cultures, moringa oil is used to reduce the appearance of scars and improve skin elasticity. What's more, it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can find moringa in powder, capsule, or tea form, making it simple to add to smoothies, soups, or even just a glass of water. But don't just take my word for it. Let's break down how moringa can change your health forever. So could moringa really be the secret to unlocking your healthiest self? With its rich nutritional profile and centuries of use in traditional medicine, it seems like the perfect addition to any wellness routine. The best part: it's natural, affordable, and easily accessible. But here's the catch: you need to start using it consistently to see the long-term benefits. It's not a quick fix, but it's a powerful tool in your health arsenal. And when you find that one herb that works wonders, it's like finding the missing piece to the puzzle of your well-being. Now that you know the secret, why not give it a try? Head over to your local health store or look online for moringa supplements and start incorporating it into your routine. And hey, let me know how it works for you. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried moringa, or if you have any other natural health secrets up your sleeve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more health tips that could change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.